This video will explain the user interface of NX11. Start by going to the taskbar and finding NX11. When you first open the software, you are presented with the NX welcome page and a few basic commands. Now, an important thing to note early on is that there are so many commands, tools and settings in NX that even the most professionals don't know all of them. Don't get put off by the volume of options you'll be presented with. These videos will filter out the volume and show you the key tools you will use whenever you're using NX for university work. First things first, we're going to look at the NX coordinate system. To do this, first we need to enter an application. So click on New and you'll be presented with an options dialog. Here we can create parts as models, assemblies, sheet metal or other functions. In the next tab you'll find drafting templates. You can also see additive manufacturing processes, even ship structures. In reality, the majority of your university work will only require modelling, assemblies, or drafting and drawings. Select Model and click OK. Now, NX has a number of different coordinate systems, denoted as CSYS or CSYS, and it is important to understand their purposes. Firstly, the absolute coordinate system is universal throughout NX and is fixed. This coincides with the X, Y, Z axes displayed in the bottom left corner of the workspace. The datum coordinate system is then represented by the three axes and planes in the centre of the screen. This coordinate system can be used to create reference planes, draw sketches, or orient parts about, and when the datum coordinate system is moved, any parts created or fixed with it are moved also. Lastly, there is then a work coordinate system, which can be used to create new planes, sketches, or parts. When the work coordinate system is moved, the parts remain in position and only the work coordinate system moves. Now let's take a look at the most important tool of all in NX, the command finder. If you know what you want to do but can't remember where the button is, just put it in the command finder. It can then show you where your desired tool is located and other related tools. For example, here I have a part and I'm looking to revolve it. I can't see the revolve button on the ribbon, so I go along to the command finder and search for it. It will then display any tool which uses the word revolve in its title or description. If I hover over revolve, it shows me where the button is located. Note that some tools will say currently hidden. This just means that they can only be found in the menu drop-down and are not locked to any of the ribbons currently. Looking at the element revolve, it says this command is available in the pre-post application. Currently, we're in the modelling application, and this isn't really relevant, so what you can do is go down to the settings tab and select Find Commands in Current Application Only. Now that I have used the command finder, I've easily found what I was looking for and am able to revolve the part. Now that you know the basic setup of NX and how it works, it's time to start creating.